Back to my story about whether I feel like I'm inside or outside, or Irina Klepfish's story where she's very much outside of these circles in many ways, though she was very inside and studying with Weinreich for a certain period, but once she came out as a lesbian, or rather was outed, this became less of a possibility for her, and I don't think that's a coincidence. It's more, my interpretation, but there is a way in which now we talk a lot about how great queer Yiddish is, but that wasn't true of the establishment historically. And I think regardless of actual sexual practice, when we just talk about what it means to be sort of orthodox about how you treat Yiddish, I think there are sort of separate groups. There's a lot of people who I know, mainly outside of academia, but also inside, who are thinking very creatively and excitedly about how to make use of Yiddish, and it's very tied to other radical political projects versus people who are doing a lot of amazing and very rigorous scholarship in Yiddish, but in much sort of narrower terms. I sort of move between both of those groups, but I think part of the problem is that it's the rigorous scholars and that kind of more closed circle who hold a lot of the keys, a lot of the information that is so vital, and I would like to see those keys disseminated a little bit more widely and in a more inviting way. And it's true, it is frustrating, I'm sure, for native Yiddish speakers or excellent Yiddish speakers to have to deal with people with bad grammar. And on the other hand, it is very hard to speak excellent Yiddish when you don't have that context. And I think that the excellence together with that survival are things that we need to rethink in some ways to make these tools more vibrant and more useful.